So when I joined engineering, I thought this is my opportunity to innovate and prove everyone that I'm capable of doing big things. But the classes and academics didn't sink in with me, and just like many of my friends, I too thought that opting to do engineering isn't a great idea, as we'll have little or no chances to innovate. But then the UI Fellows happened. I got launched as a fellow and attended Silicon Valley Meetup, where I've been able to meet amazing people in my life and got to know a great deal of things. Back home, I was pumped up with excitement to do new things and innovate, and with the support of government communities and my fellow friends, we started SpiderWeb, which is a lean startup working with undergraduate students to design solutions for student and socio-economic problems. But when we say that we started to do something which no one in our community ever did, that's when people will be too excited or be skeptical on what we are trying to do. And the same happened in my case. We wanted to organize a big design thinking workshop in our college where we wanted to prototype some of the best ideas. We worked hard, came up with a plan, and when we presented it to our college, the management couldn't quite get a sense of what we are trying to do. And we haven't quite got the support we intended to get from them, due to which we have to cancel the event. I felt devastated, disappointed, because hosting this event would have started new pathways to launch innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in our college. But I realized that the college couldn't empathize with us, as they don't know anything about this amazing thought process for innovation called design thinking. But being in the loop with other government communities and other colleges, we still successfully managed to organize a few design thinking workshops to students from other colleges. And I still felt that my job isn't done yet, as we haven't introduced design thinking in our college. So this time, with our fellow fellows, we started to invite executive body members from student professional bodies and started to teach design thinking in small groups. This started to shift our management's perspective on what we are trying to do. And then we organized D-Challenge workshops for first and second year students, and it brought immense response from the college students. And when the students would come up with amazing prototypes, our college got a clear picture on what we are trying to do. And they started to give students access to prototype their ideas in a college incubation and innovation center called iHub. And we're also fortunate enough to meet few people in our journey who believe in our ideas and investing in it, due to which we are trying to take solid steps to transform our lean startup into a social enterprise with a makerspace where any undergraduate student can work on their ideas. And looking back at this journey, I realized that change isn't an instantaneous process. It's a slow mission in progress. And it's our responsibility to earn trust of the people who doesn't believe us and prove them that they're wrong. And it's okay to try new things. It's okay to experiment, fail, and if we fail, try again and try till we succeed. And work towards becoming a better person who's trying to make the world around us a better place to live in. And I want us all to think about this. How might we turn our failures into stepping stones for success and search for success in the same place where we felt lost, and prove everyone that we could do great and amazing things. Thank you.